I'm Charlene Ho from Hakipuʻu Learning Center Charter School, and we are in Kanaeokana area on Windward Community College campus. Oftentimes, students and families choose other schools than the standard school because it's not working for them. We found that there was a significant percentage of students that were leaving school. And so we thought, well, if we could offer a different approach to the learning where they were doing much more hands-on and exploration around areas of their interest, that perhaps we could keep them in school. Students at Hakipuu Learning Center do what we call Alapiʻi Projects, which require them to not only do research about the area that they're interested in, but also to find actual practitioners or experts in that field, interview them, contribute community service around the area of their study, as well as end up with products, including a research paper, which is not their favorite. It culminates with our senior project. Our senior project requires 300 hours of validated and documented time, of which 50 hours is community service around the area of focus. It's hard work, and it's hard work not only teaching student-centered project-based learning, where the student is taking the lead and designing their projects, guided by our staff, to make sure they're hitting the standards that they need to for graduation. They're the drivers of their learning. Several of our seniors indicated, you know, when we came here, we were sort of like, yeah, okay, we checked out, we're done. We'll just go hang out someplace until hopefully they'll graduate us. And so what they shared is, not only have we got beyond that, not only have we found some footing, not only have we found areas of passion for our senior projects that we've really explored in multiple ways, but we have a plan for our life. It may change, it may be way different down the road, but at this point in time, we have a sense of hope and promise.